Good day, Madam Sir, and to all employers. I am Jamaica Gadja Belona, and I am 27 years old, and I am from Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I am married and blessed with one daughter, ages 5 years old. My highest educational attainment is a college graduate of computer programming and C4, and I am the second child of my parents, and I have 3 siblings. Regarding my work experience here in the Philippines, I work as a domestic helper for almost 4 years, and I have served 3 members of the family, including Sir, Madam, and one child, ages 6 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of their child, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, ironing, and grocery shopping. I want to work to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and for my daughter's better future. And to my future employer, please hire me because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.